time travel? A joke? Or can you do the equivalent right now? It's a familiar theme in literature and even television. H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, Quantum Leap, Doctor Who. But this isn't a video about science fiction, and it's not a video about metaphysics. It's a video about determining where you are in your practice, and especially in the business of your practice. It's about who determines that place, you or someone else. And at its heart, it's about losing the old lockstep notion of a career that for physicians can be traced back to elementary school, the notion of having to work your way up the so-called ladder. But why are you convinced that you have to work yourself up that ladder step by step? Why can't you just simply jump, skipping ahead as many rungs as you want, taking a quantum leap from your present position to another more desirable one? You can. This has parallels in connection with the commoditized healthcare market we're presently in. Some cower in fear, metaphorically and actually, of the creative destruction decimating medical group stability. But at the same time, there are some physicians who've made tremendous leaps in respect of their success and in the success of their groups. They haven't let societal trends dictate their future. This requires a different mindset, a mindset that we're not trapped by the circumstances. On an almost daily basis, I get personal emails, I read email threads and listserv entries bemoaning the sender's circumstances. It's like a parody of senior citizens sitting around the pool, one outdoing the other with stories of maladies and discontent. Yet at the same time, I've dealt with a professional who's in his late 80s and who's planning on his next big move with the mindset of someone in his 50s. He's not playing the game, or rather, he's playing his own game. What game are you playing? What league have you put yourself in?